Hello everyone, welcome to admission updates. In this video, we are going to see the application process of MHT CET 2022. The application form has been released on 10th February, and we will see which details are required to fill the application form, what is the step-by-step process, last date to fill the application form, how to pay the fee, and direct link. So let us start this video and see the important things like the online registration and confirmation of the application form on website. So application form is available from 10th February 2022. The last fill the application form is 31st March 11:59 p.m. That is Thursday. Further online registration and confirmation on the official website of the application form after paying late fee of 500 rupees is from 5th April to 7th April, and online payment window will remain open until 7th April. So these are the dates related to the application form. Now let us look at the details required. So the details required to fill the application form are mobile number, valid mobile number is required, then a valid email ID, then photograph and signature. So dimension of the photograph and signature is given here. Dimension is mentioned here, like breadth is 3.5 centimeter and height is 4.5 centimeter. Then for the signature, the dimension is 3.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter, and the format of the image should be in JPEG or JPG for both photo and signature, and file size should not exceed 50 KB for both photo and signature. Now let us uh, start the application process. So the first step is registration for the first time user. When you will visit the official website, you have to click on the new registration button. And then you have to read the prerequisite that is given here. The screen will appear like this, and you will find these details on the screen, and you have, after reading these details, you have to click on the I accept and proceed button. After that, online registration form will open on the screen, and you have to fill candidate's full name, father's name, mother's name, then your gender. Further confirm your gender, then mention your date of birth, your religion, then region to which you belong, then annual family income, mother tongue, and nationality. Make sure that your name should be as per the HSC mark sheet or HSC board record. Okay, and then you have to enter your permanent address. You will fill address in address line 1, 2, and 3, where 1 and 2 are mandatory, means you have to fill your complete address in line 1 and 2, and in case your address details exceed, then you can use line 3. Then fill the state in which you are residing, then your taluka, then pin code, district, and village. Further, you have to enter your correspondence address as well, and in case your correspondence address and permanent address is same, then uh, make a mark in this box where it is mentioned address for correspondence same as permanent address. And in case your permanent address and correspondence address is same, then you need not fill this correspondence address detail. And if both the address are different, then you are required to fill correspondence address columns. And here address line columns are given, so you have to mention here in address line 1 and 2, and then fill your state, taluka, pin code, then district, village, and then telephone number. And telephone number is not mandatory, so if you use telephone, you can fill that number, otherwise it is not required. Now enter your mobile number and email ID and create password. After filling the above mentioned details, you you will proceed, you will this page, and here you have to fill your mobile number, email ID, then you have to create password, then confirm password. And the instruction to create password is given here, that your password should be at least 8 to 13 characters long. Password must have at least one uppercase alphabet, and then password should have at least one lowercase alphabet. Then password should have one numeric value, and then it should contain a special character. After creating your password, click on the save and proceed button, and you will be forwarded for the OTP verification. The mobile number which you will enter, you will receive an OTP on that number, and you have to fill that OTP in this box and then click on the verify OTP. In case you do not receive OTP in the stipulated time, then click on the resend OTP and you will receive a second OTP on your mobile number. Fill that OTP here and then proceed to the next stage. In the next stage, after verification of OTP, your application number will be generated like this. Note down the application number and then proceed to complete the application form. Now in the second step, you will have to fill domicile and category details. Here, if you belong to Maharashtra state, you have to select yes. If you do not belong to Maharashtra state, select no. Then select your category as per the options given here, like SC, ST. Then select your category accordingly from the drop down menu. Then fill your qualification details. Third step is your qualification details. Here you are required to fill your SSC exam details, like have you passed SSC or equivalent exam in India. You have to select yes, then select board, then select the passing year. After that, select the board name from the drop down menu, then select the year, in which year you have passed the SSC examination. Then mention the percentage, how much percentage you have scored in SSC examination. Further, fill higher secondary uh, examination details here. Are you appearing in class 12th or you have passed the class 12th? Select the board, then mention state, district, and then taluka. After filling these details, you have to fill here school name and college name. Then after filling these details, click on the save and proceed. After that, you are required to fill MHT CET examination details, and this is the stage 4. And in this, you have to select the subject like PCB, PCM, or both. Then select the medium of the examination, English, Hindi, English, Marathi, or Urdu. You have to choose a language in which you want to take the paper. Then select the examination center for appearing in the exam. You will have to select at least 4 examination center on the basis of your priority. After selecting the examination center, click on the save and proceed button. Then in the stage 5, you have to upload photo and signature. While uploading photo, select the photo from the drop down menu and then upload your photo and signature as required. After that, in stage 6, you have to upload required documents. And the documents which are accepted by the MHT CET are mentioned in the drop down menu, like PAN card, Indian passport, permanent driving license, voter card. You have to upload any one document from the following. Like if you have the PAN card, you can select PAN card and upload your PAN card image. The image allowed should be in JPEG, PDF, PNG. It can be in any of the format, and file size should not exceed 500 KB. Yeah, these details I have discussed these details. Now in next, you have to preview and validate the information. After filling the previous explained details, you have to validate the information, and then you will be uh, you will proceed to the payment window. And in the payment window, you have to select yes. When this box uh, pop up, are you sure you want to proceed for payment? You have to select yes, then click on the proceed to payment. After that, you have to select Razorpay option and click on the OK button here. After that, click on the I agree terms and conditions and proceed. After proceeding, you have to select the mode of payment, like you want to make the payment through card, UPI, net banking, or any payment wallet. Make payment and take the printout of the application form. I hope uh, the step by step process is clear to you. If in case you have any confusion, you can comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for the other important updates related to MHT CET.